Hello everyone. Today we are diving into a practical skill that can save you time and money. Replacing the driver's airbag module on a 2012 Nissan Frontier. Safety is always our top priority, so let's get started the right way. First, pop open the hood and crucially disconnect the battery terminal. This is a vital step to ensure you're working safely. Once that's done, turn the steering wheel about halfway to the left. This simple adjustment will help you access a small hole on the side of the steering column. Now, with a flathead screwdriver, you'll want to gently push in on that metal spring you see within the hole. This action should release the airbag module. Carefully pull the module out and you'll see the connector. Using a pick or a small pocket screwdriver, gently lift up on the connector to detach it. Then you can easily unclip it from the bottom and pull up the ground wire. And that's it. You've successfully removed the airbag module. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide was helpful and empowering. If you found this useful, please consider following along for more helpful tips and tutorials.